This is how you fix WhatsApp microphone not working issue. The first thing you should do if it's happening is force restarting your phone. To do this, you can quickly press and release the volume up and down button, then hold down the power button and keep holding until it turns off and you can see the Apple logo. If microphone is still not working, then let's check whether the mic permission is turned on or not. So open settings, scroll all the way down, open apps, and then go to WhatsApp. Now here, if microphone is disabled, toggle it on, and in case it's grayed out like ours, then it's probably because of the content restrictions that the microphone isn't working. So go to your screen time settings, then content and privacy restrictions, microphone, and from here enable allow changes, then you can toggle on WhatsApp from here. Now try sending a voice message or use the microphone on WhatsApp and it should start working. If the problem persists, then let's check is WhatsApp has any update pending. You can do it easily by long pressing on the App Store button, then update, after that scroll down and find WhatsApp, then update if necessary. But if you're still having trouble, then you can try clearing the cached data of WhatsApp. And to do that, open settings, tap on general, then iPhone storage. Find WhatsApp and click offload app. There's no need to worry because this won't delete any of your chats or backup. So tap on offload app, then hit reinstall. This will clear the cache while keeping all your chats intact. But in case you have a cloud backup, then you can try deleting WhatsApp altogether and reinstalling it. But it's totally up to you. If microphone is still not working in WhatsApp, then we should check whether the iPhone's microphone is working or not. You can do it using any other app or voice memo. Just try recording, and if you don't see any visual, then it will indicate that your phone's microphone itself is not working. In that case, you can check our dedicated video on how to fix your iPhone's microphone. That's all, so let us know which one worked and stay tuned for more.